Docker is no longer worth it in 2025. The tool that once defined containerization has been reduced to a middleman you don't actually need. Here's why. First, Kubernetes killed Docker. As of late 2020, Kubernetes deprecated Docker as its default runtime. That wasn't a rumor, it was straight from the Kubernetes maintainers. By 2025, the entire ecosystem has shifted to containered, CRI-O, and Podman. These runtimes are lean, faster, and built directly for orchestration. Docker is now just an unnecessary layer sitting on top. Second, performance and overhead. Docker Desktop has become infamous for bloated memory usage and licensing headaches. Developers complain about Docker chewing up gigabytes of RAM just to run a couple of containers. Meanwhile, Podman and Nerdville give you rootless containers, near-native performance, and no licensing drama. Third, the industry has moved on. AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure all optimize their container services for runtimes other than Docker. In fact, AWS explicitly recommends using containered for ECS and EKS. That's the equivalent of a doctor telling you to stop smoking. It's not a suggestion, it's a warning. Docker had its moment. But in 2025, it's not the backbone of modern infrastructure.